found a really good tilapia recipe, and we just came back from one of our Harvest Host places that was for 302 Aquaponics, where we got tilapia. They farm raise their tilapia. We learned the whole process, and they recycle everything. It was pretty amazing. You got to check out that review that we did. So I'm going to take the tilapia from 302 and make a garlic lemon tilapia recipe. Using some fresh farm raised tilapia from 302 Aquaponics. I found a recipe online that uses lemon, garlic, salt, pepper, and I'm going to put this together and show you how easy it is. Yum! So this recipe requires 2 lemons. One we're going to zest and then juice, squeezing the juice out of it. And the other one we're going to use later. We're going to slice it up, and a few minutes before we take it out of the oven, we're going to lay it on the top. I like garlic, so I used 4 cloves of garlics here and crush them. Getting all those oils out. Oh, it smells so good. Heated the oven at 400. It's getting up to that temp. It might beep while we're chit-chatting here. Salt, pepper, garlic, butter, lemon juice, lemon zest. It's the recipe that I found online. It says crushed red peppers. I'm not jiggy with the spicy kind of stuff. I'll leave that on the side so my sons or my husband can add those on after. So here's my 5 tablespoons of butter. 2 garlic cloves is what they suggest. I used 4 only because I love the garlic. My lemon zest and my lemon juice from the fresh lemon. Salt and pepper. So I'm going to salt it first. And put some pepper. It is been raining for the last 24 hours. So I'm kind of half dressed. I'm in my half go outside and do chores and half stay in my pajamas. So comfy. Let's take my garlic, mix it in with my butter. So I'm a garlic fan, so I know that I'm a garlic and basil fan, so anything with garlic or basil in it, and I'm gonna be in heaven. All right, mix this up. It also says I can put like fresh parsley and stuff on it. I've got my garden and get that. So I'll go outside and get my fresh basil after this is done and chop it up finely and put it on the top. Okay. Wow, this smells so good. Garlic and lemon. Yeah. Just gonna drizzle this. Oh my gosh, this hasn't even baked yet. Oh. And you know what? I think that bake time says like 12 minutes. Dude, we're gonna be eating fast soon. Oh wow, this smells so good. So this tilapia, in my bodybuilding days, I ate a lot of tilapia, eggs, tilapia, chicken, steak once a week. But I think I put more sauce on than they needed. But that's okay. Extra is good. All right, I'm excited to put this in. But yeah, I ate a lot of tilapia, and then science and studies started coming out and saying how bad tilapia is. And I agree if they're not raised right, if they're not, the filtration system's not right and everything like that. But after going to 302 Aquaponics, he educated us on how he raised his farm-raised tilapia. And it was a beautifully clean facility, 100% natural. So I am ecstatic to try this fish. He let me feed them and everything, so that was amazing. And I got to see how he filtered out the water, recycled all the water, recycled all the poop. Sounds disgusting, but when you go grow stuff in the garden, that fertilizer is all poop. So recycle, reuse. I'm all down with that. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and 400 for about 12 minutes. And then I will top it with a little bit of my fresh basil from the garden. And we'll see how it tastes, my fresh tilapia, with a lot of garlic and lemon and butter. Doesn't that just sound divine? Doesn't look bad. Smells. Really